Welcome back to the Do It Yourself series. My name is Edward. In today's video, we'll be talking about time. So this is a quote that my grandfather, he always told me, from Benjamin Franklin. If thou love life, thou must not squander his time, for that is what life is made of. So, we must not waste our time or put our time and energy towards things that are unproductive and give us little results. We always want to better ourselves and use our time constructively and do things that can build us up and help us improve in all areas of life so we can become a better version of ourselves and achieve our goals. So when we're older, we can stay free from regrets and be happy, because we know that we focus in life. We focus our time and energy on doing what's right and bettering ourselves and avoiding time thieves and unproductiveness and things that will take up a lot of things. And we do what's right. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Have a nice day.